Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, I will teach you about arrays. So today in this class, we will discuss about the arrays. Arrays. So we'll discuss about arrays. So let us write the problem statement. User need to take the user input and user need to declare an array of size n and user need to give user inputs until array of array of n and user need to print it. So which means, for example, user have given the n values is equal to 5. So user has to give 5 inputs like this, 5 inputs. And output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way, you have to print it using arrays. So user have to give n value 5 and user have to give 5 input values and user have to print those input values in the output. That's it. Simple. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. For example, so before starting the before writing this scan class, what we have to input? So we have to import java dot util dot start. So we have to give first scanner. Scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in, and user have to give a value se dot next in, and after that, so user have to declare an array. So how can you declare? Int and square brackets open and close, and after that you have to declare a variable array and new int new int. Yeah, that's it. New int of size of size n. Let's see. So I'm taking for loop. So int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. And error of I. So what I'm saying? So I am initializing. So I'm storing this ARR variable with the I variable. So what I'm doing, I am going to this ARR array. So I'm initializing one by one values in it. So how can I initialize? By using sc dot next int. Sc dot next int. So after that, you have to take another for loop. So int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and you have to print system dot out dot println care of I. So first of all, let's run the program. If we have any errors, we will resolve it and I will explain the whole program again. Yeah, here only. So I think you have to use square brackets. Yeah, there is no errors now. There is no errors now. So what happened is, so first of all, I have taken the scanner class, and I have to take n as the input, as you know, user input. So here, this is the new statement, right? So to declare an array, the syntax is, so you have to first write the data type, and you have to include this square brackets which represents the array, and it is a variable. That's it. It's a variable. You can write any variable you want. So we are creating a new array, so which represents new, and which type of, it is an integer, and which of size of, integer size of n. So what size? So for example, we have size given 5, right? We have given size 5. So that much of size that this array should possess. So I will explain again. So first of all, you have to write data type, and after that you have to write the square brackets which represents the array, and after that you have to write the variables. So whatever variables which you want, you can change the variable. Not only error, you can write x, y, a, b, any variable. And after that you are initializing. It's a new array. You are saying it's a new array, and integer type of size n. So it's telling integer size of n. It is a size of array of n. So what is the n? 5. So it's having the size of 5. So you can give only 5 inputs. That's it. 5 user inputs. You cannot give 6 inputs. So I'm just initializing 5 inputs until n. So when I is equal to 0, I will initialize 1. When I is equal to 1, I will initialize 2. When I is equal to 2, I will initialize 3. When I is equal to 3, I will initialize 4. And when I is equal to 4, I will initialize 5. And after that, I have initialized all the numbers in this ARR, and I have to just print it. How can I print it? I have to use a for loop, I is equal to 0, and I less than n, I plus plus. And each time I have to print ARR of I. That's it. ARR of I. For example, our size is 5, right? Our size is 5. Our size is 5. If I give 6, and after that, if I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then it will tell, then it will give 6 inputs. It will give 6 inputs. It will give 6 inputs. So based on, like, we have given size 6, right? So that's why it given the 6 as the size. 6 as the size. 6 as the size. As example, I've run this program again, and if I give 4 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I give like this, or if I give more than 4, I have given the inputs more than 4. So what will happen? So we have get only 4, right? We have get only 4, but we did not get 44. Why? Because we are crossing the crossing the size of n. We are crossing the size of n. So that's why it's not giving. It's not giving. It's not giving. I hope you understand what is size. It is the size. It tells the size. And our input is 5, right? So our input is 5. So first of all, I'll give 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And click on enter. So you got all the 5 numbers here. You can see that. So that's it, friends. This is how we can use arrays in Java. So if you have any doubts, why we are declaring any variable, or why we are taking size, if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I'll definitely help you out. Thank you, friends. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.